delicious. I need you girl. 왜 혼자 사랑하고 혼자서만 이별해. I need you girl. 왜 다칠 거라면서 자꾸 네가 필요해. I need you girl. 넌 아름다워. I need you girl. 너무 차가워. I need you girl. I need you girl. I need you girl. I need you girl.
Hey guys, it's Rina. So this is our dance cover of I Need You by BTS that we went through on last Tuesday and Thursday in my K-pop workshop in Arizona. We actually went through only the first chorus choreography of that song. It was really fun, but at the same time, since it's a little bit faster choreography than the other songs, it was really good cardio for us. And I highly recommend you guys to go through the songs as well because again, it's really fun and cool. I personally really love the move so much. If you want to learn the choreography, I have a tutorial video. So make sure scroll down, find the URL, and let's dance together. Also, please post your dance cover with a hashtag K-pop with Rina so that I can see and share on my story. Again, thank you guys so much for joining my workshop and watching this video. Please have fun and don't forget to give us thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!